Drop by equal spot. Brought up 11. Stuck our life and shit. Stuck our life and shit. Wow. Stuck our life and shit. Rock about 1 in my life. Yeah, all of them say a Pakastrom. Which one there I'm gonna say? All of them say a Pakastrom, the diamond they say a Pakastrom. Yeah, all of them say a Pakastrom. All know that. But when I time in my life. Rock about when I time in my life. So I know you go Pakastrom me. At the airport now, man. Yeah. How you go? Yeah, fly out. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Bro. Yeah. Man, say soon stuff. My mother account there. Man never buy the pass himself. I just remember my mother account there. What's up? Oh. Jamaica. Huh? Yeah, it's alright. Rock about when they turn around. Baby, remember the first book. Remember first time to see you. Rock back when I time in my life. honestly. You go over there, you know. No, I have on my side. Bye. About on that time, man. She got me no she up on my side. Sean, about on that time, man. Yeah. What when I tell them my life? What when I tell them my life? Got this kid really come kill me.
Still on cooldown.
No, I'm gonna go back, my friends. Come now, man. Come now, you come raise me now. Got a new setting. Come raise, like a bat, and you make him kill him. Come raise my bad man. I'm gonna put me down there. Charge. I don't know if I know him can't. Now I watch out. Now I can play out no more Crystal bad man. Watch out. Crackhead bro, up bro. Make sure you drop a like and share them for the see. Drop a like and share. Share tell a friend for tell a friend to my life and share. Booping on me, watch out now. Yeah, that time I can't watch people like this. I don't watch a dead body. Swear. I like watch so people, but
Need equipment.
say they are airport, Sean. Man, ass die. The man spam me. Wait. Seven. The man spam me. That you cannot play. Anybody who do not freaking in them room, them not play what. Man ass bad man. Man spam bad man. I watch that stream, but definitely spam that bad man. Nah, make him play. Nah, play back no more, dog. Man, man, spam over, yo. Nah, play back no more, you. Watch me on him. Watch me on him. Try play a first no way. Who the fuck is that? Bro, this man likes I get sick, get too much now, bro. Too bad. Man, I get too much now. Report him, cause nowadays a BS call it back in the game. Man, him a hack. Me a report him. I report something there. Him never. Remember last time I played that you there. Him couldn't even stop a headshot. Nowadays them scarlet back here. Me I tell them different. But you know your days, son. You know your days. Put him blood. That's the same get back. Bro. I'm not play about nothing more with either him or that you tell him chick. I'm not play about nothing more with him. Why the fuck you see me a war man and you go shoot me? That fucking ass, bro. That they're hacking the I'm gonna show you what you. I tell you still up. Can't people do it. I be here, I'm sliding money and I go. You see what me I talk about? Yo, you see what me I watch somebody that too fucking man them a come out for me. No, man, I none of them used to play about that. None of them used to play. You might act up, I'm not gonna kill because you might get him come, can I come sham? I'm dead. Yo, I can't show me something, I just try to see what you. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna fix it. I start saying the password to 1,000. Password will be 1,000. I remove myself. I'm tell you what. Keep on with you. Password I want to Sean Alien again. Sean David buying nothing. Oh, what are you them? I report him. Password 1,000. What are you? Look on the one I call. Oh, one divide idea in headshot there. Yo, see I got FF. Respectful forward out the Z, bro. Should drop a like and shit. Yo, man, you own the display. Yo, how to make this show? How the display up and you can play one device. What you call it? Shit. What is the password? 1,000 password I want. Password I 1,000. Password 1,000 man. Yo, Sean, yeah, second. Take your next account for new NBA bro. Love. Wait, love you say? Love. NBA love. You wait, I don't know. Take your next account ID, why how many click that? Welcome to the stream there. Make sure like and share and subscribe if you're new here. Yeah, I need that. So give me a second. Password at 1,000, bro. 1,000. Bro, what the? Batacon. Let's see how it's happening. Okay, let's go. Yeah, fully for Mango. I want them from double this again. Give me a blank for me. I just put them. Someone can't stop. Oh, somebody I'm gonna see how I shall go into my bed. What's that? Branded I couldn't get me over. Play for food. I don't do it. I wish I couldn't. Man, every man drop a like for me and do it. Oh, 6K like. Body in the room drop a like 6K like. 2000. I wish you more. Watch out. I wish you more of that. Let's see it up. I'm sure I get it for free. Cause no. Kinda not like this stuff. Yo, man, bad man, urban only. Bad man, urban only. Yo, who are red dog? Who are red for the scene? Urban come back alive for me. I'll never start. I seen a put up. Red guns, I'm all start. And I'm gonna crack a car, so. Yo, I'm not just the account there and I seen a bad man. Not just the account there, bro. I swear. Not just the account there, bro. Start and anything go wrong and kill them. I don't know, it's not me for nobody now. I can't remember. Bro, I see the person go off and them never. Jaja, so me I say, anybody, you never hear myself on the stream. Ford, anybody on the G-Word here, right? Ford online, I'm gonna see somebody respond. So I'm gonna start. I'm sure somebody. You didn't tell me say I even here, right? You don't want to. Yo. Yo, my cousin's bro. Bro, honestly, you see the man shoot me and the man Davis him no me behind my arm there. Honestly that me sometimes I just you know my yo. I tell her that. Yeah, the boy is shooting some more. Boy, I shoot me some water, so I like swim some buckshot and things. I don't take buckshot and things.
Help me!
Don't take buckshot.
Head there.
Let's cut them with it. Man, don't my dog.
Help me!
What's that?
Help me!
I'm tell him about my ass dog, son. I'm tell him about him ass. Shush. Just a piece of shit. Josh is our person. But you make them a heal you tell. Time dirty brother come here. Yo. You have to have a thing in there, no fucking sense. No fucking sense. What's in? Go back in the man. What's in? Buffalo. Well, I'm awful off, because that's amazing, man. Amazing, man, that's no, I'm never unkilled anymore. Alright, then sticky man. Do not forget to put me I'm gonna try to crouch headshot now with it, man. It's definitely it's a ball. Crouch headshot. Never again. Like, I boot like a team get boot and I change the password. I'm going to tell you. I'm ban the man, I don't know how him supposed to can't join. I'm ban him. I'm going to know how fuck him going to join. It's awesome. I just remember, my settings and my music soon. No, but my day was even 5 minutes and get to join that. I don't know. Wasn't even 5 minutes and get to join that. 10 seconds or so. Kick. I'm gonna say that again. Kick. When I say time I pass it, I want to. Yeah, step because I'm tired. No. Yeah, 9. I don't understand how to do this play weapon. Come and leave the custom. Yeah, how you fix this for this play? Got more. Man, just keep me out. This gonna work on there. This gonna work. It's sitting in all this payment. That's it. What is the answer question? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I want to be one even. The breeze of the game. There, man. He said, yeah. Man, if share up this tree, man, that's it. Man, I'm gonna feel tired, man. Yeah, man. But I gotta see the crack news. So all that man, I call them girlfriend take care of. Why? What's that? See the curtains, let's see the scarlet, bro. Let's see the scarlet, bro. Come on, bro. Let me see some scarlet, bro. Scarlet. See some scarlet. I love the scarlet, man. And he's gonna see the scarlet. See some scarlet. These are sketches, y'all get the scarlet. I would do this one. No. Oh, what are you doing? Nobody, after I reach the stream back in a row, 2 o'clock, so guys, one of them I'm kind of feel I'm just stay tuned, guys. They are yeah, this stream, so I'm come back out first, man. 20 money from the stream, yeah, polite. Sure, going away, but I'm telling my name for 7. My name for 7. If I had 6 weeks of man. So I'm just straight life. Like 1 bag of people that I'll take that. So my sound so low. Man, I'm lower to uno. Why my sound so low, man? I'm lower to I'm not saying. But still sound lower than a lower man them. Still sound lower. But anyways, give away a cheesy subscribe. Run up the call, rolling top man, run up the subs and I don't do them so. That's what I say. The shit is real. I'm gonna tell you what I've been down street. On TikTok videos and stream down G dance to TikTok. Yeah. Up 5 down. 5. But if I want to say about putting on for DLC, hold up that PC though. On Fortnite. If I'm putting out that PC. Man, double team. And you want to see them. You want to come done. I'll be sleeping. I love you. You have you come play FM. How much diamond you have? But I never told you, sir. You get what I call them? On TikTok. You get all heap of views. Something. Yo, coach. Just Java coming to post now. I mean 12. Waka. Man said give me the damn. Go me cook one. Which man? The man forgetting down touch. You know, don't forget the diamond. That man I used to step up here. You don't mind it in diamond. Five, come on, diamond team. Yo, I'm the one. I'm a charger. There. Come on, them. Them on them. Plug in quick na man, These are one charge man. We are all that's that much. Oh, I'm five then. Who that? Yeah. I'm gonna plug up. I'm never take it up. Really, charger, yeah. From a long charger, no charger, yeah. So, shit. The phone never did in the van. Charger, I just keep on a fuck. Yo, baby. Mon cœur, you know what I'm saying, man? You know, only if you need to watching man. It's so come. Oh yeah, stream 5. 5, drop me a thumbs up. 6K thumbs up. My name is drop me a thumbs up. What the fuck? Let's see how blood. Yeah. Really, I'm gonna settle there. Let's grab a month. I know I'm gonna try this. That's alright. Like anything. Bro, but anyways, yo, me a cut, you know, bro. I'm streaming. We'll go. No. I will 5 guns. I'm eating. Flaming and Cheetos. I tell Fred I'm love it. Flaming and Cheetos. Best snacks ever. Yeah. No cap. Oh, yeah. No cap. No, you cap. No cap. Sama-sama yan sino. Sino may tawag. Ano sa Zeke. First me see that man there over my stream. But ever hear me over clutch stream dog. But up Zeke, bro. You go man. Well, man, call. Boom. Majalah. I don't remember the days where I could pick call people out there. You have to try this man ago. Remember those days? Free fire come from farm and farmer come from. I mean what I mean? Bitch, you fucking trash. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, man. Remember the first book. Remember first time see you. I'm just like as if. Nah. I'm missing with that in stream right now. Can you try to the frauds? a trash, but bro, nigga. I don't know. Fuck off, bitch. This nigga does give me the chills, bro. He give me the chills. But you know what I say? You know what I say? Nothing gay or fuck. But anyways, man, them. What's up? Yeah. Me gonna tell us that, yo. Suck your blood, you would. Me test my phone I did already. No. You would. Anyways, my name I got NZ. Just make sure you stay tuned, stay tuned. Ever stay tuned. Stay tuned for the banger I was saying, there's nothing. How do you mean I talk to? I'm gonna say if coach it give me community for community for I'm supporting. I'm not even know community for. And the name not community for. But anyways, my phone just dead man name. You see it, I'm just like a burn some phone right now, you see it man name, but respectful like so forward up man name. Just to make sure I come back to the 2 o'clock man name. I have 20 or 12 man on the stream. No less than that. I'm not end the stream if I have so much fun. So make sure you share up your live and tell a friend. Share live on WhatsApp, anything, Instagram. The man if you come over come some big thing I go on is it man them I'm out. Plus they are is it my phone charger if I'm some can't play punch. Mental ship or ship and that just dead in a mingle match. That happened to me yesterday, so now I mean that happened again man. So is it that's how I end right now. Respect for all I man them is it man them. Man them. I'm out.